Yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, and I'm the founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah. So recently, I've been doing videos about Neptune Network, and people have been saying that they are gone. Some are saying that they are not gone, and they have they have they have told us that we should wait for 15th September and everything will be fine. So I want to give you this update. Finally, I want to give you this update, and I know that people will be happy, people will be sad, yeah, but I don't know their main motive. But we have to wait for 15th September. But I have to do what I get to do to give you updates always. Yeah. So I log into Neptune Network, Neptune.bet, and I found the founder team. So the CEO name is Anthony Jack. That's the CEO. And as you can see the picture over there, that's the CEO face. That's what they are saying. And if you come here, the CCO is Maurice Jones. And the COO is what? Anston Brown. And the CPTO is what? William Carr. So I did a further research about all these people. And to my surprise, the CEO, I found the CEO. And I want to share it with you. But that doesn't guarantee that if they are gone or not. But how can they do this? If it's a genuine platform, why would they do this? So I just go to my Instagram, because all the founders, they are Instagram. And first of all, I search Anthony Jack. And I did a lot of research, but I never see any Anthony Jack with that facial until I got to know the Alex Swami. So I opened the Alex Swami and see. And the Alex Swami is having a same facial looks with the CEO of Neptune Network. So I went through it. I went through his pictures and everything, and I got to see this one. So this one is the same picture they used for the founder. But meanwhile, the founder's name over here, the name of the picture over here is what? Alex Swami. And he posted something over here. I'm not Anthony Jack, and I am not the CEO of Neptune Network. Someone is scamming people using my picture. So it means that he is not Anthony Jack. And this one, when I saw this one made me sad. Because it's the same picture. And he even did a video.
Because somebody has been using my pictures to scam other people. His name is Anthony Jack, at least the profile's name is Anthony Jack. I am not Anthony Jack, I am Alex, that's my name. I have reported that profile on X, X.
You see? So it means that Neptune Network has a question mark. The Anthony Jack we know is not the Anthony Jack. So it means that all these people that claim they are the founders are not real people. So this make it so suspicious that they may be scammers. I'm not saying they are scammers, but they may be scammers because the CEO Anthony Jack is not the same Anthony Jack we know over here. When I saw this lie, I was very, 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 very sad. Yeah, because a lot of people have been investing huge money inside, and I can't say that they are gone or something like that. I can say that they are gone or something like that. But why would they use someone's image on their ex Instagram and stuff, Anthony Jack with a fake image? Meanwhile, that's not the CEO. And the person have done a video on his Instagram page clarifying himself that he is not the CEO of Neptune Network. Have you seen it? I'm not Anthony Jack. I'm not the CEO of Neptune Network. Someone is scamming people using my image.
Hello everyone, I'm
And he
recording this
also
video because
did a video. So it means that he is not a person. So right now, who is the CEO of Neptune Network? And this one is blowing a lot of horns, a lot of stuff, backing them that they are scammers, something like that. Because how can you use someone image claiming to be the person? And introduction: serial entrepreneur and deep cultivator, 10 plus years of experience in venture backed growth companies. Like, how can you do that? So, like, all these people, I think all these people are also not real. Yeah, I think all these people are not real. I think, yeah. And this, at this point, is either we hope or our money is gone. I have more than $10,000 in my account. And yesterday, someone made a claim that right now, one Neptune is 2 USDT, and people have been getting a lot of money. Are you sure that they can pay all these people? I was doubting that, like, yeah, how can they pay all these people? But as we are waiting for 15th, Charlie, we have to know that everything can happen. Because how can they use fake people as their team founders? How can they do that? If they don't have any major motive, how will they do that? So that means that person, the one who's claiming to be Anthony Jack, is not actually Anthony Jack. And the image behind this Anthony Jack is also innocent person who doesn't even know anything about Neptune Network. So right now, do you think your money is gone or you are still waiting for the 15th September? Because Charlie, this one made me sad when I saw it yesterday. Yeah, it's made me sad when I saw it yesterday. So it means that all these be settings, all these be formats, like all this, like but let's wait and see everything. So this is the update about Neptune Network that I wanted to know that the CEO behind Neptune Network is using a fake image and a fake identity. So what is your thought? What are you thinking right now? I'm Kenny Rhymes and I'm out.